This was not the talk Theodore hoped to have with his citizen scientists. But here it was. By preparing the data for processing, Yousuf was able to identify his brother-in-law and was now reporting that there were two good news. The first one was that the data was reasonably well anonymized and Yousuf was able to find his relative only because he knew him personally. Secondly, Theodore was the first ones to know about the case. So, the first question Theodore had was if any of the details in the survey were unknown to Yousuf. And for Theodore's displeasure the answer was affirmative. Yousuf explained that he knew full well that his brother-in-law had recovered from COVID. But the long-lasting effects he reported to the researchers were much worse than he had admitted to the family. It would appear the Yousuf's brother-in-law was putting on a brave face, to protect his family and pretend he was feeling fully recovered. Yousuf explained that he will speak with his sister as soon as the conversation with Theodore is finished. Yousuf's brother-in-law would need to be supported until his full recovery and the whole family will gladly lend a hand. Yousuf said he understands that he should not have learned about the true condition of his brother-in-law, but he cannot unlearn it. He offered his resignation from the project. Theodore elucidated that if anyone is at fault that is the project coordination, who should have foreseen such an eventuality. Yousuf's efforts are highly valued and Theodore refuses to accept his resignation. Still, Theodore asks Yousuf to delay the talk with his sister for a couple of hours and to give him the phone number of his brother-in-law. It was going to be an awkward conversation, but it was the very least the man deserved.